There is a common myth around learning that says the more we accumulate, as in terms of knowledge, the more we would get to know. And it is a complete myth. Let me tell you how. First, welcome to Mind Healing with Bhavish, and here it goes. So there is this story, एक story है एक student की जो Zen philosophy का student था. So he had traveled across continents, बहुत सालों तक इधर उधर वो घूमता रहा, बहुत सारे लोगों से मिला, बहुत सारे स्क्रिप्चर्स उसने पढ़े, बहुत सब कुछ जान लिया, बहुत सारी थ्योरीज उसने पढ़ी और जानी. And now was the time that he wanted to go back to his master, where he wanted to showcase and present to him all that he had learned in these past 10, 12, 15 years or so. So he goes back to his master. At the doorstep, he arrives, and the master welcomes him with open arms. जैसे ही गुरु तो ऐसे ही होते हैं. तो he welcomes him with open arms and invites him in. और स्टूडेंट अंदर जाता है और जाने के 5-10 मिनट के बाद he starts to speak about all that he had learned. He does not want to give it any time. He's so excited about all the knowledge that he's accumulated over the past many years. Now there are other disciples also, other students also who are listening to this person who has traveled so much, or they are in complete awe. देख रहे हैं कि कितना कुछ जान लिया इस student ने. And the master is listening to this person quite patiently. और सुनते जा रहे हैं. Student भी बोलता जा रहा है. One theory after another, one philosophy stacked on top of another. और रुक ही नहीं रहा है. He's just too passionate about his knowledge. तो इतने में मास्टर जो है इशारा करते हैं दूसरे एक स्टूडेंट को कि get me some tea. तो out of reverence, this disciple gets him a tray with a cup and a kettle full of tea. तो अब स्टूडेंट अभी रुक नहीं रहा है. स्टूडेंट बोलता जा रहा है जो ट्रैवल करके आया है. And the master starts to pour the tea into the cup. अब पहले कप में डालते रहते हैं, कप थोड़ा थोड़ा भरता रहता है. It comes to the brim and overflows into the saucer. उसके बाद टेबल पे, then floor पे. But the master doesn't stop. He continues to pour down the tea. अब स्टूडेंट बोलते बोलते सुन भी रहा है, देख भी रहा है ये सब हो रहा है, and he's getting distracted by what is this master doing. And there came a point where he blurted out. He said, "Master, what are you doing? The cup is already full. It cannot hold any more tea, And the master smiles and says, "Exactly my point. You've come here to get to the new dimension of learning and understanding, to learn something new, something more. And your mind, just like this kettle, just like this teacup, is already full. And in order for you to learn more, you have to first empty your cup." Now, this is ironic, but isn't this what we have been trained to think, that the more knowledge we accumulate, the more we get to know about it? But what happens is, whenever we want to learn something new, something more, we have to first create some space for the new learnings to come in our life. We want wisdom, and the wisdom cannot come if your cup is already full. For wisdom to come in, चाहे वो आपके गुरु से आए, चाहे वो अंदर की wisdom हो, inner wisdom, the innate wisdom that we all of us have within us. If you want to listen to that quiet voice, it is crucial that we empty our cup first. We give silence, we give it space, and then we are ready for something new to come into our lives. Knowledge not just means accumulating a lot. True knowledge is simple. True articulation is simple. कोई भी चीज़ को आपको समझाना हो, कोई भी चीज़ को आपको किसी को बताना हो, it does not need a lot of jargon. It does not need a lot of technical knowledge. और मैं आपको गलत नहीं ठहरा रहा हूँ. I have been a victim myself of doing this. That I used to think many years back that the more jargon I use, the more technical terms I use, the more educated, the more knowledgeable I would sound. But contrary to this popular belief, it is actually the opposite. It is actually the opposite. The simpler you can articulate it, you can if you can explain the concept to somebody, if you can explain it to yourself like a 5-year-old kid, that is when you have actually understood things. But either ways, ऐसा कुछ भी होने के लिए you have to empty your cup first. You have to empty your mind. पुरानी नॉलेज को लेके अगर हम बहुत सारा माइंड में भरा हुआ है, न्यू नॉलेज कहाँ ही आ पाएगी, चीज़ें समझ में ही नहीं आएंगी, और समझ में आने से दूर हम इसे एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. बट दिस इज अ नगेट ऑफ wisdom that I thought I would want to share with you. For more such wisdom nuggets, information, and some peaceful talks, you can subscribe to this channel. This is Bhavesh Ahuja from Mind Healing with Bhavesh. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and do the best you can. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.